Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making a shrimp pasta dish. Very easy, quick meal idea. This shrimp pasta is going to be done with a little twist. I'm not going to be using any heavy cream today. I'm trying to avoid the cream and dairy. In with coconut milk. So this is 1 can of 400 of coconut milk. I have already added that to my saucepan and it is already simmering away on the stove, as you can see. I'm now going to go in with a little bit of salt, and I'm also going to be adding my pasta. So I'm adding my pasta. So I'm breaking my pasta in half, and then I'm going to be adding it to the coconut milk. I'm going to leave this to cook, and then I'm going to move on to the shrimp. Yeah, so let this cook in the coconut milk, and then I'll move on to the shrimp. I'm going to add a bit more. I have in my pan here some vegetable oil. I'm going to be adding to this some garlic and onion. So I'm adding onions and garlic. I'm going to saute this for a bit. We're going to leave that to saute, and we're going to come over here. This is our shrimp, which has been deveined and washed. We're going to go ahead and we're going to give it a light seasoning. This is Mrs. Dash. This is original blends. We're going to season lightly with our Mrs. Dash. This is mostly herbs, guys. And then we will go in with some peppers. I'm using the crushed chili pepper. And I'm also going in with a bit of garlic powder. Salt to taste. And we are done with that one. Give them this a quick stir. We're going to now add this to our onions and garlic that is already cooking up on the stove. These shrimp have been pre-cooked, but I don't think they're fully cooked, guys. So it's not going to take long. As soon as they start to get really pink, right, we can take them off. So we're going to have them in here maybe for about 4 minutes. Yeah. While that is being cooked, we're going to start cutting our veggies. We have here our bell peppers. This is yellow and red bell peppers. Just leaning that away. We're just going to slice some up. So red bell pepper. Going into slices as well. And we're also going to be using half a tomato. One is chunking out, guys. It wants to escape, but there's no escape for it. So we're done. Checking back. We're going to check back on our pasta to see how it is progressing. And it looks just fine, guys. Just gonna add just a little water. And stirring our pasta. Just a little water. Pasta is coming along nicely, and I think in the next 3 minutes we can take it off. I'm going to add just a little more, just a tip of water. We're not adding too much water to this, guys. Just enough to have our noodles cooked. And the pasta is taking away all the liquid. But it's okay, it's being cooked at the same time. Coming back over here, I'm looking at our shrimp, and this one is cooking up beautifully, guys. The shrimp is looking so good. So good now that we can add our bell peppers. We're also going to be adding our tomato to this one. And we're going to turn our heat down a bit, or we're going to move the pan from the flame. Because what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be chopping so we can add this to our meal. So we have our cilantro here, and we're going to chop this up. Cilantro is a herb that has a very distinct flavor. I like to use it, especially when I'm cooking Italian-based meals like this. Going back to our pasta, we're going to slide it over to this flame, and then we're going to turn this one off. Our pasta looks about ready. So we're going to add our shrimp to our pasta. And we're going to stir this in. We'll then be adding our cilantro, our chopped cilantro, and we can stir this in for a little. Wow, guys, the smell is off the charts. The smell in this kitchen, guys, is so good. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It's smelling so good, guys. It's smelling so good. Ooh. I'm loving the smell in this kitchen right now. I'm smelling the aroma. Oh, the coconut milk. God, this is really good. The last thing I'm going to add is some red chili peppers. And guys, lunch is ready, or as I said, you can have this meal. It's a quick meal idea. You can also have it for dinner. If you come in at evening where you're tired and you really don't want to be spending too long in the kitchen, you can have this meal, you can prepare this meal idea. Yes, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to dish up my lunch because I did this for lunch. So here I go, guys. This is taking too long, guys. I'm going to use my spoon. Where did I put it? And guys, this is seafood, so I like my peppers, right? It should be a little spicy for me. That's optional for you. I just added some more red chili peppers to my dish. It's optional for you. Guys, my lunch is ready. All right? Creamy shrimp pasta without the heavy cream, coconut milk instead. And that's it for now, guys. I will see you all in another video. Bye for now.